travel and transportation industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world, responsible for 20% of the global climate gas emissions. As the largest hotel chain in Scandinavia, Nordic Choice is indeed a part of the problem. But we want to be a part of the solution. Hotels affect the environment in many ways. We singled out the 5 areas where the potential for improvement were the greatest: transportation of goods, services, and of course, the hotel guests. Chemicals for cleaning and maintenance. Waste produced by the guest and the operation of the hotel. Energy consumption, for example, from heating, ventilation, lighting, electric and electronic equipment. Water usage in kitchen, baths, and pools. Nordic Choice chose to implement the Environmental Management System ISO 14001, an international standard for all the Nordic Choice hotels. ISO 14001 made it possible to work systematically and document the progress toward a more sustainable mode of operation. To audit and certify the ISO 14001, we partnered up with De Norske Veritas. To ensure top-level results, the ISO 14001 standard demands that the whole organization is involved and that all the members are educated. Nordic Choice has established some key objectives to reach by the end of 2012. Reduce energy consumption. Reduce amount of unsorted waste. Reduce water consumption. Reduce transportation. Reduce chemical usage. In the beginning, DNV did not have much faith in our ability to implement this extensive standard in such a short time. That only intensified our determination. We renamed the entire implementation process Operation Penguin. The name was inspired by the penguin's capacity to cooperate on equal terms and work together for a common goal. Another reason is that the penguin as a species is threatened by the climate changes. Our aim was for the 9,200 employees to work together as penguins do, towards our common goal and for a better world. To increase the commitment of the staff, we produced some movies with the company's owner, Petter Stordalen, and the CEO, Torgeir Silseth. Bjørge Brende, former Norwegian Minister of Environment, gave an encouraging speech to help rally the troops. During these kickoffs, the employees were educated in environmental issues, for example, climate change, energy consumption, and the use of chemicals, and their impact on the environment. The employees worked in teams to help foster an understanding of how they affect the environment in their daily work, and to come up with bright ideas on how to mitigate each hotel's environmental footprint. Every hotel appointed an environmental coordinator who was educated together with the hotel manager in the duration of 4 days. We found active partners for collaboration to make sure that we had someone to push us towards innovative ways to reduce our environmental impact. We also found suppliers who were equally eager to protect the environment. The project generated a lot of media attention from both regional and national media throughout Scandinavia. Our guests were encouraged to join in and help us meet our ambitious goals. The Penguin system was by the end of 2010 implemented in all of our 170 hotels. More than 1,500 routines and procedures had been written and implemented. Almost 1,300 vendors were evaluated concerning their environmental work. By the end of 2010, we received the final 14 certificates, and we were well on our way to meeting our goals for waste reduction. Compared to the baseline of 2008, we have reduced the amount of unsorted waste by almost 50%. Consumption of water is down by 13%, and the usage of environmentally friendly chemicals is reduced by 20%. the number of hotels heated by fuel oil has been decreased from 25 to 14 by installing district heating, geothermal heating, or heating pump systems. So far, De Norske Veritas, the certification partner, has conducted 46 environmental audits in our hotels as well as our head office. In every instance, we passed the test. DNV was impressed by the engagement and involvement in this project.